how to build an Angular data grid in a minute. Start with a basic Angular application already created and opened in a Visual Studio Code window. First, install the required Wijmo packages from npm. To do so, run the command npm install @meshiest/wijmo.angular2.all. This will install the required packages to use Wijmo in this Angular application. Once the installation is complete, import the files to implement the data grid. First, inside the styles.css folder, import the required CSS file for Wijmo. Then inside the app.component.ts file, import the grid module from the Wijmo library and the Wijmo.grid file, which we will reference as wjgrid module. Now, create the grid and add some data to it. In the app.component.ts file, create an array called data, which will hold a list of objects we can display in the grid. Then, inside the app.component.html file, add in the markup for Wijmo's FlexGrid data grid and set the item source property equal to the array we defined. Now, run the application using the ng-serve-open command. After the application is compiled, the grid is displayed locally in the browser. And just like that, we built a data grid in an Angular application in a minute. By default, Wijmo's FlexGrid allows you to sort and edit the data within the grid, but it also includes many additional features, such as pagination, filtering, and dynamic grid cells. Download a free trial today at developer.meshiest.com.